Welcome back to my series on the body, a guide for occupants. So far, we've explored the building blocks of life in Chapter 1, uncovered the fascinating functions of skin and hair in Chapter 2, ventured into the hidden world of microbes in Chapter 3, and marveled at the complexity of the brain and head in Chapter 4. Today, we are diving into Chapter 5, titled The Heart and Blood, where we explore the incredible system that keeps us alive every second of every day. Let's get started. Chapter 5 takes us into the heart, literally inside it. This chapter explores the cardiovascular system, which is responsible for pumping blood and delivering life-sustaining oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body. It's a system so vital that without it, life would cease in mere minutes. Let's start with the heart itself. Your heart is an astonishing organ about the size of your fist, weighing less than a pound. Despite its small size, it's incredibly powerful, beating roughly 100,000 times a day and pumping about 1.5 gallons of blood every minute. Over the course of an average lifetime, that adds up to more than 1 billion beats. It's hard not to be amazed by its endurance. The heart is divided into 4 chambers, 2 atria on top and 2 ventricles below. These chambers work together to pump oxygen-rich blood from your lungs to the rest of your body while cycling oxygen-depleted blood back to your lungs to be refreshed. It's a perfectly coordinated system that operates seamlessly without any conscious effort on your part. But the heart does not work alone. It's part of a vast network of blood vessels. If you were to lay all of your blood vessels end to end, they would stretch about 60,000 miles. That's enough to circle the earth twice. These vessels are divided into arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart, veins bring oxygen-poor blood back, and capillaries are tiny vessels where oxygen and nutrients are exchanged with tissues. Blood itself is another fascinating topic covered in this chapter. It's not just a red liquid, it's a complex mixture of cells and plasma that performs countless vital functions. Red blood cells transport oxygen using hemoglobin, a protein that gives blood its red color. White blood cells are part of your immune system, fighting off infections and foreign invaders. Platelets help with clotting when you are injured, while plasma carries hormones, nutrients, and waste products throughout your body. One particularly interesting point is how efficient your circulatory system is. For example, it takes less than a minute for blood to make a full circuit throughout your body. And yet, the system is so finely tuned that it can adjust on the fly, like increasing blood flow to your muscles during exercise or redirecting it to vital organs during moments of stress. The chapter also touches on some common issues related to the cardiovascular system. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide, often linked to lifestyle factors like poor diet, lack of exercise, smoking, and stress. High blood pressure, sometimes called the silent killer, is another major concern because it often has no symptoms but can lead to serious complications like heart attacks or strokes if left untreated. What's remarkable is how resilient the system can be when cared for properly. Regular exercise strengthens your heart muscles, making it more efficient at pumping blood. A healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help keep your arteries clean and reduce inflammation. One of my favorite parts of this chapter is how it reminds us that our hearts are more than just biological pumps. They are symbol of life itself. Cultures around the world have long associated the heart with emotions like love and courage. While modern science tells us that emotions originate in the brain rather than the heart, it's easy to see why this organ holds such symbolic power. It truly is central to our existence. In summary, Chapter 5 gives us an incredible appreciation for our cardiovascular system, a network so efficient and reliable that we rarely stop to think about it until something goes wrong. It's a reminder of just how extraordinary our bodies are. That wraps up chapter 5. I hope you enjoyed learning about your heart and blood as much as I did. It's amazing how much happens inside us every second without us even realizing it. In our next video, we will continue exploring the body with another fascinating chapter. Do not forget to like this video if you found it interesting. Subscribe for more deep dives into this amazing book and share your thoughts in the comments below. I truly appreciate your time and thank you for listening once again.